guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to keep things very simple today, so we are going to make some very easy cement DIYs in this video. मेरे पास बहुत सारा cement पड़ा है in my storage and I really wanted to use it for good. I personally love any decor item made of cement. I think they look really raw and stylish. So let's get going and start with our first project.
So the first step always is to mix the cement with the water. For this DIY, I am soaking a hanky in the cement, trying to make sure that it's all properly coated with the cement, and then just kept this soaked hanky on any glass or can or whatever you find to give it a little support. Let this whole thing dry overnight. Remove it the next day and it will become quite hard. The next day I added this jute rope just to give it an extra support. And there you go. I love how raw it looks. You can use it as a vase, or you can use it for your spoons, or you can also use it as a candle holder. This next DIY I wanted to try from a long time. I have seen this shoe planter all over internet and I really wanted to give it a go. All you need here is a discarded pair of shoes, some cement and some water. Make a cement water mixture and then the ideal way is to dip the shoes in the tub full of cement. But I did not have a right vessel to dip, so I just used a paintbrush to coat the cement and that worked perfectly fine. I just made sure to cover all the nooks and crannies with cement. I left it for drying overnight. You can choose to use a sandpaper on this once it's all dried out. And then done. Looks great, isn't it? The next DIY is again pretty simple. I took a use and throw glass, filled it with some cement, and then to create a square impression, I used a foil paper box. I also used a jute rope to make a handle on both sides. I dipped it in the cement, put some weight on the foil paper box and left it for drying overnight. I then removed it the next day. Sanded it down for the smoother corners. And if you want, you can use it as is, but I sprayed some gold color in the bottom because I love that grey and gold combination a lot. I love candles and candle holders, and I just can't have enough of them. This one is my current favorite and I think it can make a pretty good gift option too.
So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you get your hands on any kind of cement, be it white cement or the regular cement, please don't throw it away. You can literally make million things out of this for your home. And yeah, even I am going to make few more projects out of this cement क्योंकि बहुत सारा cement पड़ा है अभी. Before you go, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you are not following me on Instagram, please do that. My Insta handle is given on the screen, and I'll see you next week, I hope.